In this quick guide, I'll show you how to save a video file from Descript directly to your computer. Start by opening Descript and loading the project that contains your video. Make sure you're working in a video composition, not audio only, otherwise video export options won't appear. Next, look at the top right corner of the editor and click Export. When the export window opens, switch to the Video tab. Set the export destination to local export, which allows you to save the video directly to your computer. Now, choose your settings. Select a resolution like 720p, 1080p or 4K depending on where the video will be used. Then, pick the quality level. Higher quality looks better but takes more time and storage space. Once everything is set, click Export. Descript will process the video, which may take a few moments depending on the length and quality. When it's done, you'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer. Pick a folder you can easily access, then click Save. That's it. Your video is now saved to your computer and ready to share, upload or edit further. Happy editing!